Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and to all the curious minds out there, get ready to embark on a wild and wacky adventure in the world of learning. Today, I have a very special invitation, an invitation to each and every one of you. Hold on tight and get ready to dive into the most exhilarating webinar you will have ever experienced. Do you ever find yourself stuck? Stuck in a never-ending maze of boring textbooks and mind-numbing lectures? Well, fear no more. We have cracked the code to make learning an absolute blast. Introducing Learning Management System, where the words like dull and mundane simply don't exist. You might be wondering, what makes LMS so special? Well, let me tell you, it's like a digital treasure overflowing with interactive quizzes, mind-blending puzzles, and even a surprise dance party. Learning has never been such entertaining. Imagine. Now imagine learning new skills and expanding your knowledge without even changing out of your pajamas. Isn't that the dream? With our LMS webinar, you can join the comfort of your own couch, the ball of popcorn in hand, and be part of an incredible learning community.
Yeah, boy.
So, my friends, mark your calendars and prepare for a mind-blowing experience. Join us in this webinar where laughter, fun, and knowledge collide. Together, let's create a future where learning is an adventure and education is a never-ending party. So don't wait. Get ready to buckle up because this webinar will take you on the wildest ride of your life. RSVP and join us for an unforgettable journey through the magical world of Learning Management System. See you there, block your seats and transform your learning experience.